Hello there, crafty friends. Welcome back to Bliss Degree. The holiday season is just around the corner, and if you're like me, you love adding handmade touches to your home to make it extra special. Today, I'm excited to share 20 free Christmas decor crochet patterns that you can make this holiday season. Whether you're a seasoned crocheter or just starting out, there's something for everyone. All of these patterns are completely free, and they're perfect for decorating your home, giving as gifts, or just enjoying as festive crochet projects. So, grab your yarn, and let's dive into the holiday spirit. All of these patterns are available for free, and I've linked them in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing crochet content. Wow, that was a lot of Christmas cheer in one video. Which one of these 20 free crochet Christmas decor patterns are you most excited to make? Let me know in the comments below. All the patterns are linked down in the description, so you can start crafting your own handmade holiday decor today. Simply click on the Google Doc link and get access to all the patterns. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more crafty ideas, and share this video with your friends who love to crochet. Wishing you a cozy and creative holiday season, happy crocheting! See you next time, and happy holidays!